Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete photos from GoPro QUIK app. So what can you do? Now head over to the app and then navigate to the media. And in the media you have option QUIK and phone, so QUIK is on the app. Alright, now I have some images right here, and let's say I want to delete one of them. So I want to delete this one. I click on the image and you will see at the bottom here delete button at the right side in the middle of the bottom. Now if I want to select multiple, I just hold on one image and then I can select, and you can also see now these blue three buttons at the bottom. You see albums, auto edits and delete. So you choose delete and you will delete these photos from your GoPro QUIK app. And this is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next